Yo, Stocks 5150. I'm gonna talk about something that I use on my charts. The volume profile. You look here, right here in this teal green. This is the volume profile. Why I like using the volume profile? Well, it gives me a lot of insight, a lot of information. First, I'm gonna start by breaking down what's. Oh wait, let me do something. Let me get rid of. Hold on. It's all right. Yes. All right. Had to clean it up a little bit. So volume profile. What we're gonna talk about is the parts of the volume profile. So, volume profile, and this I do it by price. You also have volume down here, and this is by volume. This is what that chart is on the bottom. So we have volume profile. Hold on, let's see if we can. I really don't want it. I'll just keep it like it is, shoot. But volume profile. So traditionally, volume indicators, they show the volume traded during a specific time. That's what this is down here at the bottom. You see what I'm saying? But the volume profile shows the price and the price action during a specific price. So you see over here to the right, this is the prices. This is what the stock cost at any given point. This is where the stock was at any given time. Okay. So you got it's a horizontal histogram, and that's what it is. So you got the high and lows. So right here you have the value. You have a let me break this down. I'm rambling, but yeah, forgive me, I'm on night shift. So up here, this top yellow line, you have the high volume node. This is the area where it's like either it can be support or resistance. So like actually you look right here, well we'll talk about that. This area right here is the low volume node down here at the bottom. This area in the middle that's kind of like pinkish or whatever, this is your point of control. So we'll start in the middle. All right, so the point of control is the price level where it trades at a specific time. So you see here, point of control is where the price more than likely will come back to. And you see here, like the highest amount of people bought at this price right here. So 24,906. Right now you see we had 25,606, 667. So look out below, right? Now, with the high volume nodes, that's where, like I said, strong support. And you can see I got this on the daily chart. And look, we were coming down, we fell down. This is over the past couple days. And look, we came all the way down to the point of control. So we were at the high of the market and we came down, broke through, but we hit the point of control. You understand? So we seek this out in volume profile. Then we retracing, we coming back up, and now we're at the high volume node on this area, and that's providing us some support at 25,393. Right now we at 25,666. Wow, somebody called that out earlier in the chat. Dang, that's crazy. Anyway, um, the low volume, that right there, if we get down to those areas, if you look, we do touch it. You see, when we do touch it, expect it hopefully to pull back up. That's what you want. But this isn't necessarily I like to use it because you can see where buyers are and sellers. You understand? So this right here just tells you how much volume is pushing up. Two separate things. This right here tells you where people are located. It's where they got the orders in or where the most transactions taking place. Okay. So you got another area on here that I didn't speak about was the value area. And that's approximately like 70% of the trading volume. And it's in that range right here. That's all this right here. This is the value area. This whole area right here. And you can see that. That's where people were buying and that's where you trade at. Now today we stayed above it because we already went down, touched the PLC, and now we're retracing. Hopefully to go up to the all-time highs and close out the year strong, right? Because this right here wiped the brother down. Now we got to go wipe up. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's it. Volume profile, and you can locate it if you go to your on your charts and you go to indicators, and then just type in volume profile and add it to your chart. Stocks 5150. Try to keep that short, but I ramble a lot. All right, peace.